Okay, I'm going to try to teach between today. We'll see how it goes. I've never tried training it before and never tried it in a skirt before, so we'll see what Ollie can do. Ollie, heel up. Heel up. Good boy. Now then, oh no. Heel up. Heel. This way. No. Okay, heel up.
You can take his leash off if you want to.
Okay, yeah, I'll take his leash off. Okay, now let's just try it like this. Ollie, come here. No.
He's making him his leash.
Ollie,
You have to do
look,
that at the end
look,
of the
Ollie,
reward.
come here. Sit. Yes.
Do you want to borrow my clicker?
Oh, I have my clicker. I
Okay.
just forgot to use it. Ollie. No. No. Come over here. Sit. Good boy. Oops, well, I clicked before you were sitting. Sit. Okay. Okay, Ollie. Well, that's through. Good. Let's try that again. Through. Oops. Okay, let's try this again. Ollie, through. Good boy. Now let's try this one. Between. Sit.
And he's born and shoot.
Okay. Now back here. Oops. That's through. Now we're doing between. Now back up.
He's really got through.
Between. Sit. Good
Yeah,
boy.
a really good job putting up
All right,
the
one
blindfold.
more. Let's do one more. Come on. No, come out this way. Over here. Over here. Follow my hand. Right here. Now between. Sit. Okay, Ollie, that's it. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. There was part of it where I was like laughing, so I'm like
That's okay.
oh, that was awesome.